Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to make a transparent floating object photo in Photoshop. Today we will make an object float like it's suspended in air. Start with your subject on a clean layer, then duplicate and remove its shadows. Now use pen tool to cut out perfectly. Now add a faint drop shadow below it for realism. Then apply outer glow in a white to create floating illustration. Then add light gradient under the object for subtle fit. Now adjust brightness and blur the background slightly. The end result feels like the object is weightless, floating naturally in the air. Thanks for watching.